There goes the light. I didn't make it. I nearly missed it, but I made it. He came way earlier than I thought. I thought he was going to come a little later on. But I got a video. And there she goes, though. I'm very sorry I didn't make it over here before the lights turned on, but I got him. He sure came early today. I thought he was going to be here in a little bit yet. Well, he will be back to come by here later, so I will record him when he comes by again. Alright, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching.